Whirlpool refrigerator model WRR56X18FW repairs. Whirlpool 31-inch freestanding all refrigerator with 17.78 cubic feet capacity, 5 glass shelves, right hinge with reversible doors, crisper drawer, Energy Star certified, adjustable glass shelf. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Whirlpool manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Whirlpool appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Whirlpool refrigerator not cooling.